Alright guys, there's been a new law introduced in Spain around food wastage. I think it's still going to have a bit more to it. Is it a good thing, is it a bad thing? I've sort of got mixed feelings, because at the end of the day, I look at it a bit like the paper bags, the plastic, well, let's just say the plastic bags that were introduced to save the trees. And it started off at 5p for the bags, which now I think in the UK you get forever bags for, what, £5 in Marks and Spencer's and everything else. Everything just becomes another consumer piece. But anyway, pushing that aside, we ended up with all the plastics in the sea, so I don't think it saved anything. But the reality is about 40% of food is wasted in Spain. The same, I think the UK is at least 30% household waste of food that isn't consumed. For food that is actually edible. Well, I'd say it's bigger than that, to be fair. Let's be honest about last season's clothes and the rise of stores like Matalan and whatever that are short-term clothing places. There's a big churn, so they're on the right track, but I think there's bigger issues out there. For example, cheap imported products which barely function the day you buy them. I personally think they should be made illegal and impossible to import. But anyway, so today we'll talk about the consumerism piece. So the first thing is the restaurants have to offer you a doggy bag for your takeouts, for the stuff you haven't eaten while you're in the restaurants. Now, there's an app I'll share after this video, which will basically just cover how to get one of the, well, today April got a Dial Prix bag. How much was the bag?
$3.99.
$3.99. So
Mystery bag.
Mystery bag. So you don't know what's in there. So let's have a look what April got. So what's that? Croissants? No. So you got my glasses on, I can't read the labels. Ensaimada, some sausages, some croissants, empanada, and some yogurts. So I wouldn't say that's too bad, because I think the sausages are normally about €2, aren't they? From the glasses on, I can't see what the prices are.
That thing is about
€3. So they're normally €3 on their own, just for these sausages. And then 130, so that's what's 360, 480. There's no price on that one. Let's call it €1, maybe more. There. So about 10, I'd say 10 to 11 euros worth of food for, what was it again? €3.60. $3.99, which isn't too bad. The dates aren't that far off anyway. I've got to admit, I'm not one that worries about dates on food, never have. You'll soon know if it tastes bad. If it doesn't taste bad, you can survive it. But yeah, so I'll just do a little bit on the app, just so you can see what you can do with it. But that's basically one of the bags from Dollpre, and what they do is they put it in the bag and then staple it. Just hoping you'll catch your fingers on the top, I think. So all the money they saved on the food, I think they spent on staples. Okay. As discussed about the app, I'm just going to find it because I've only just installed it because April uses it. What's the app called again, madam?
Too Good to Go.
Too Good to Go. So it's that's Jet 2. Too Good to Go. So this is the app, and it'll work in the UK as well and other places. So I can go up the settings here. So as you can see, you can adjust the distance of how far you'll go. So if you go 29 kilometers, there's a lot more places, but the whole thing is to keep the cost down. So let's just keep it within 10 kilometers. I think that's enough. So you apply that, and then it comes up with the different shops. As you can see, this one is Dial Prix, Poke Bar, Moana Poke Bar, Yeah. El Pollo Loco. Galp Bojales. And that's recommended. Oh, before they go, Umar Fantas, Umar Frutas. You may have noticed my reading isn't that great today because I'm actually waiting for my new glasses tomorrow. Well, another 4 days. Restaurant La Vida Torrevieja, surprise bag. Ali Frutera. So lots of fruit shops. Dial Prix. What else have we got in here? So there's only Dial Prix actually contributing at the minute that I can see on here.
There's another one.
Massy Mas?
Yeah, it's
another app?
Yeah. No, it's a grocery.
Yeah, it's not on here though. Are they normally on here?
Yeah. Maybe
Okay.
they've sold out.
Yeah, because you can see at the top left how many are left. 1 left, 2 left, 4 left, and those are for tomorrow. So what else have we got? Oh yeah, there's Massy Mass. Sold out already. Sold out at 10:21. So there's a few people contributing. There must be other apps out there as well. But I mean, if you're on a tight budget, this may be useful. We're quite happy what we got in there. I mean, the sausages will do us on the barbecue, and the other bits and pieces. Like I say, the kids will have the old pastry stuff for the school lunches. So that's pretty much it.